Hello everyone, welcome to Airdrop Income Tech channel. Hope you all are well. So you all know the already claim option of Dogs coin is coming. So in today's video, I will show you how to easily claim Dogs on Bybit Exchanger. At first, take a look at this post from the Dogs community. See here the list of which exchangers can claim Dogs. The first wallet option refers to Telegram's own wallet. There is no fee required to claim Dogs here. But transfer from Telegram wallet to Exchanger will require fee, and since Ox Exchange is not available in all countries. So I will recommend you to claim Dogs at Bybit Exchanger. There is no fee required. You only need to KYC your account. So now I will show you how to complete KYC by creating Bybit account. In the beginning, you will see this link on our Telegram channel. Click on the link. Click here on Claim Reward option. Enter your email address here to create an account. Then give password. Must put a capital letter, a small letter, and a number in the password and click on Create Account. Then a verification code will be sent to your email address. Copy the code and paste it here. Click on Claim Reward again. Then click on this Google Play option below. Play Store app will come. Now click on Install option. When the installation is finished, click on Open. Then click on the Login Now option here. Enter the email and password here and click on the Login Now option. Then match this puzzle. Click on Cancel option. Bybit account creation is done. Now to complete KYC, click on Man icon above. Then click on Unverified ID option and tap on Verify Now button. Tap the Verify Now button again. Here is your country to select. I have selected Bangladesh here. Then select ID card from the following options and click on Confirm. Select Non-US resident here and continue. Take a clear photo of the front side of your national ID card here. Then click on Document is Readable option. Similarly, take the photo of the back side and click here. Then bring your face into this frame. See face scan complete. KYC review is being done here. After waiting for a while, see that the ID has been verified. Then you can go to this security option and add mobile number and fund password if you want. So KYC verification is complete in our Bybit account. Now we will move on to Telegram bot of Dogs. Leave the TON address you used to connect wallet here. It has no function for now. At the beginning, you will click on this Deposit to Exchanges option below. Here select Exchanges option and continue below. Then select Bybit option and click on Send here. Click on Yes, I have it option below. Here you have to put the three addresses of Bybit UID, Dogs deposit address and memo. For this we will move to Bybit. Copy the above UID and paste it here. After coming to Bybit again, I will click on Assets option. Then click on Deposit option and click on this Deposit Crypto below. Now write Dogs in the above search bar and search. Check out the Dogs coin show here. Click here. Then click on this TON below. Click on OK here. See here showing both deposit address and memo of Dogs. Click here to copy and paste them here one by one. After that, check carefully whether the addresses are correct. Then click on Send option. Here your addresses are showing again. And one thing is clearly stated below: KYC passed only. That is, those who have completed KYC. Only those can deposit. Now after clicking on I confirm option, you will see deposit is in progress. Click on Woof button here. See, your dogs coins have gone to withdrawal processing. It means you will not get these coins instantly. You will get after list on 20th August. And those of you who have more than one account, they will take the dogs of the main account to the main Bybit exchanger, and the dogs coins of the other accounts to the other Bybit account. That is, don't claim two bot coins in the same Bybit account. Then all the coins will be destroyed. Hope you all understood the total issues. Later, when dogs sell time will come, then I will give you a to Z with a video. How to get money into your own bank account, because of which you must subscribe to the channel and stay with us. See you in the next video. Until then, everyone, stay healthy, stay safe. Thanks everyone.